We want to initialize inverter in iS5. Initialize inverter presence in function 2 group. So we enter into the function 2 group for initializing parameter. All parameter, you can group wise parameter initialize. So function 293 number parameter is for initialization. You can delete or default all parameter, all groups parameter. Press enter, it will initialize, or can initialize any single group parameter. It can make by up and down key. Anything you need, you press enter, this group or all parameter will be initialized. So we want to initialize all groups parameter, so make enter and it's initialized, done. So thank you for watching video. You can now use this inverter as a default inverter. Now all settings are default mode as per manufacturing. So you can now make parameter as per your requirement and set in machine, RAM drive, any motor or any device you can run by this drive. Thank you for watching. We check all parameters are in default mode as per manufacturer design. After initialize, all parameter must be initialized and make sure before new programming. So we are checking and it's done. All parameter now at present as manufacturer default mode parameters. We can set parameter frequency mode keypad or keypad mode set, or any requirement as per you required. You can change a parameter or run the inverter as per your requirement. Here drive mode shown terminal operation. You can make it keypad for run its keypad mode. So we made it keypad.